Ooh, that one's pretty.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, I'm getting the whole fireworks show.
Right?
Well, I guess it's not. Because I'm going to post it on my YouTube. Oh, that one blinded me.
After listening to it all day.
Ow, my arms.
There's another one. Do you want me to hold you for?
No, it's okay, I'm doing it. I'm on the phone with somebody, so.
Oh, that one was. What was that one? Saturn? Double!
Nope.
I normally listen to music while doing this, so. Okay.
I'm taking a video of the whole thing. Because this is cool.
Shit about them for the $15 headphones. Dollar General.
I'm wearing the good ones and they ain't doing shit.
Now, if they're a couple hundred, then I'd be pissed they don't work.
Oh, that was cool. I changed my mind. I'm taking a video.
Right?
So that nobody gets fucking pissed. Someone just said I love you, Drake. Oh my god, these kids are crazy. I'm laying down. We'll see how long it takes because I'm taking a whole video of this.
About how you're not doing this for free. That's not our. So he came over to Larry.
We're both taking videos.
Holy.
Oh, that one was big. Big kaboom. Firecrackers. Big boom.
Yeah. What? What?
There's a little bit of gap between them. Oh, that one's going high. It's funny with the colored light. Got it. That one's going up straight. There. Yep. These kids are crazy. Big one. You're going up high, bitch. On those ones, that's funny that you can see. That is Saturn, I think.
I felt the freaking wind off that.
It's gonna smell like smoke once you get the big finale. Because they just kaboom, 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 kaboom. Goodness. Okay, think of a minigun, but fireworks. That's what the ending is like. I can send you my YouTube once I post this. Oh, that one's cool. Oh. Oh, you can feel the vibrations. Double.
Yeah.
One. Big
My
boom.
bad, I couldn't hear anything you were saying if you were saying anything.
Right to the finale. No, it's small towns.
Just because we're a small town doesn't mean we got a good.
Shut up.
We don't got a good fireworks show. This stuff is entertaining.
Closer and closer out towards 30. Over there.
You can already smell the smoke.
Yeah, I can't smell anything because I just got over being sick, so.
I just saw something fly right behind us. Ooh, that's cool. This is way more comfortable. That's what. Ooh, that hurt my eyes. That one was higher than I expected.
Right.
Fireworks. Kaboom. What about tree? Or is that?
Let me call you back in a second. Can I call you back in a second?
Big one. And little one. Nope. I thought that was tree from that. That's like the perfect angle right here.
Sorry.
You hit my knee. These are heavy but very comfortable. Let's just lay down.
It's so.
Out for
I love how I can deal with it, but you can't.
Did you just make a. Oh, wow.
Oh god. Oh god. Not this. Ah yes, you smell the smoke. You're gonna want to stay like right at this angle. Call ended. Call ended.
Yeah.
Welcome back. West Virginia. Mountain. They're going high. You can feel the vibrations. God damn.
Oh. It's okay. Oh my gosh, you can see the smoke like everywhere too.
I'm taking a video of this stuff.
I took a video. I think I should report something on my Instagram.
What, he do something you shouldn't?
Hold on. Give me 1 minute. I don't want my phone to die, but he's like.
What's your phone at? It's been 9 minutes.
Yeah, my phone was at like 50 when I got here, so.
I had mine up at 90 when we left the house. Firefly. Big one. Big boy. You can see the colors somewhere. Smiley face. Big. Another big one.
I think this is.
Yeah, those two just those are kind of cool.
Ooh. Star. Kaboom. Kaboom. Oh, fireworks. Was that the poop emoji? That was the poop emoji. Look at all that smoke. Like a whole bunch of flowers. Now my ears are popping.